Hi all, my name is Mo and I am the technical sales lead from Microsoft for Microsoft Teams Rooms devices. This is my second video as part of Pure AV's 12 Days, 12 Ways video series. In this video, it's about how to bring the Teams experience successfully into the meeting room environment. In the last video, we spoke about some of the trends that Microsoft was seeing about the new return to work strategy. You'll see here on screen today that we have four distinct pillars that Microsoft and our partners really concentrate on. It's about transforming your meeting rooms with Teams. We're all so used to using Microsoft Teams at home, on our laptops, on our desktops, and we're really used to the experience. It's really important that we bring that same experience back into the meeting room space. But then, of course, for our facilities managers and our IT managers, it becomes really important to ensure that these spaces, these meeting rooms can have the correct equipment in there. So using our range of devices that we have, you can effectively make any space a Teams meeting space. And of course, like I mentioned, for our IT administrators, it's really about making it easy to deploy and simple to manage. And because it works on the Microsoft ecosystem, it is very simple. And if you reach out to our partners such as Pure AV, they can absolutely help you support with deployment and managing these devices. But of course, more importantly, if you've spent money on existing hardware inside of your meeting spaces or even your open spaces, with Microsoft Teams devices, you can absolutely leverage existing investments that you've made. With MTR or Microsoft Teams Rooms devices, it's really about making it people-centric. And that's what we've really focused on this year, to bring that experience with people in mind. To start off with, across the top, it's about reducing friction for in-room participants. Using technologies like proximity beaconing or companion features, we've made it easy for you to use your own mobile phone and dial into a meeting room space without you physically having to touch the device in the room. Even things like Cortana, you can simply say, hey, Cortana, start my meeting, and it would automatically start it for you. Secondly, foster interactive and inclusive meetings for all. Whether you're working from home or it's your shift to be working in the office, using Microsoft Teams and features like intelligent content capture, you're able to feel as part of the room, whether you're in the room physically or not actually in the room yourself. And of course, last but not least, it's really about enhancing meetings, especially when you're collaborating with your peers. Earlier this year, we enabled touchscreens to take advantage of the Microsoft Whiteboard on Microsoft Teams Rooms devices. And then, of course, if you combine a Surface Hub with the Microsoft Teams Rooms device, we have a feature called Coordinated Join, where with a single touch, you could join with both devices into the room and you get the very best experiences from Microsoft Teams Rooms devices in an audio visual capability and the Microsoft Surface Hub in a co-creation collaborative type of view. Make sure you join me for my next video where I start to dive more deeply into the different Teams devices and how to select the right option for your meeting space. If you want to learn more about the features you've seen here today, make sure you speak to Pure AV and your account manager. With that, thank you, and I'll see you soon.